Has this ever happened to you?
I'm the devil.
If it has, then you need to call Elijah Carpenter, Christian Plumber. Elijah will come visit you at your house and take your keys and be there for 40 days and 40 nights. Elijah can even convert toilet water into toilet wine.
Oh, Dad.
Our family appreciates it.
Oh, are you married?
Yes.
To each other?
Yes.
He may not be able to walk on water, but he's the next best thing in your fight against the Devil's Playhouse, the bathroom. Call 1-888-DEU 2313 for Elijah Carpenter, putting the holy back in bathroom. He will raise you up from your solitude. Elijah Carpenter will come and save you through your murky days and your toilet world. Only Elijah can save you. Christian Plumber, Elijah Carpenter. Christian Plumber, haven't you heard? Put your hands up and praise his name. It's Elijah Carpenter. He's come here.